In this video, I'm going to show you how to use DeepSeek to research the stock market quickly and efficiently in 2025. Start by opening DeepSeek and typing a prompt like "Analyze this stock" along with the ticker symbol, or paste recent news, earning reports, or market data you want it to evaluate. DeepSeek will instantly break down trends, risk, financial insights, and growth potential in a simple, beginner-friendly way. You can also ask it to compare two stocks, explain technical indicators, summarize analysis opinions, or generate long-term and short-term outlooks. If you want deeper analysis, tell DeepSeek to create SWOT breakdown, interpret charts, or give investment style insights, whether conservative, moderate, or aggressive. Just remember, the AI helps with research, not financial advice, so always double check information before investing. And that's it.